So, Jai Hind all of you, and in our today's lecture, we will discuss some important topics of geography, and also we will deal with some important concept related to UPSC. That is, how to prepare for the UPSC Civil Services examination. What are the important things keep in mind during the preparation of UPSC? How to cover the syllabus? What are the important books? How to solve previous year questions? How to start answer writing practice for the examination? And how to write mains answers when the questions coming in our mains GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4. So what kinds of approach to solve these questions and get more marks as compared to others? What kinds of we can say the special points or the special kinds of things we will add in our answer so that we will get more marks as compared to other candidates. So in this lecture we also solve one important UPSC prelims question of 2023, and the question is with reference to the measurement of earthquake, consider the following statements. So the question is regarding to the earthquake. As you know, what is the meaning of earthquake and the impact of earthquake in our earth? So the earthquake means the shaking of earth, and when the earth shakes there are different kinds of energy or waves generated, and these energies and waves causes distraction on the earth. So what is earthquake? When two plates collide with each other, when two lithospheric plates collide with each other, due to the collision, the energy which is released after the collision is known as earthquake. So here the question regarding to earthquake. The point is that the Richter scale is a magnitude scale calculated by the logarithmic of the amplitude of wave. So this is the first statement. That is, the statement is the Richter scale is a magnitude scale and calculated on the algorithm of logarithmic value and amplitude of wave. So this is the first statement. This is absolutely right, because Richter scale is a magnitude scale. This is absolutely correct. And Richter scale measures the energy released during the earthquake, and amplitude of waves recorded on a graph. The name of that graph is known as seismograph. So this is the first statement, which is absolutely right. The second one is the Mercalli scale is an intensity scale used to quantify the effect of an earthquake on human life. So here the statement is that Mercalli scale is a scale which is used to measure the intensity of earthquake and the effect of the earthquake on human life. So this the second statement is also correct here. Mercalli scale used to measure the intensity of earthquake. The intensity range is from 1 to 12. 1 means minor earthquake, 6 means a normal earthquake, which will cause problems for some places which is tectonically or the geographically unstable in nature, like the rocks, the structure of the region is not, we can say, so old or so compact. So this will 6 intensity volcanic activity also cause distraction. But the after the 6 intensity scale, 7, 8, 9, 10, these are the most destructive earthquake. So this is the second statement, and the option, like the options here, which of these statement is correct? So option A is only one statement, option 2 is only two, option C both correct, option D neither. So as you see, both the options are correct. So here the option number C is right. So this is the answer of this question. And here the most important concept regarding to earthquake, that is the Mercalli scale used to what? Measure the intensity between 1 to 12, and a Richter scale, a magnitude scale, and the use of Richter scale to measure the energy released during the earthquake, and Mercalli scale measure the effect of earthquake on human life. So this is the easiest concept. I think geography is a subject which is most important for any exam, not only UPSC, also the state PCS examination, because geography also covers the topics of the agriculture, the topics of the economics as well, the environment and ecology. So this is the subject which will help in other subjects as well, and this is not a totally we can say art stream subject. This is a scientific subject. You have to
Incoming call
understand the
from Papaji
concept,
folded
stories.
hands
Let
identified by treatment.
Okay.